Hi, welcome. This morning we are going to make some banana bread. This is a very easy recipe that you can do with your kids, and it comes out very, very moist and super soft. The ingredients that you need are 3 overripe bananas. When I have overripe bananas in my kitchen, I put them in the freezer until I use them. I thawed out 3 for this morning. You also need 2 large eggs, a stick of butter, which is a 1/2 cup melted, 2 cups of flour, I've already measured that out, a cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. If you'd like, you could add in some cinnamon, chocolate chips, nuts, whatever you want. So I already have 2 of my bananas in here, and I'm gonna peel this last one, and then I'm gonna mash them together with a fork. So you're just gonna take a fork and mash it together just like that. When I get these all mashed up, I'm gonna add my stick of butter, and you need to melt that first. It takes about 45 seconds in my microwave anyway to melt 1 stick, and I've already melted it right here in this bowl. So I've got these pretty well mashed up, just like that. And I'm going to add my melted butter. And to that, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. There we go. I'm going to mix that up until it's pretty smooth. And then I'll set it aside and we'll put together our dry ingredients. Ooh, my oven's ready. Okay, it's pretty well mashed up all together. Now in a separate bowl, I'm going to combine my 2 cups of flour. I have a cup of just regular white granulated sugar. And the salt, which is a 1/2 teaspoon. And the baking soda is a teaspoon. And I'm going to whisk those together to mix it up, just so it's well blended. So that's pretty good. Now what I forgot to do is add my 2 eggs to the banana mixture, so I'm going to do that now. Then we'll add the dry and the wet ingredients together. So just 2 eggs. 2 large eggs. And I'm going to blend that all together. Just so you don't, blend it until you don't see any yellow streaks in there. Okay. I am going to spray my loaf pan. I haven't done that yet, but I want to spray the inside really good so it comes out of the pan easily. And I find that if I hold the pan up and spray, it's a little bit easier, and I often do that over the sink instead of spraying down like this. I don't know, sometimes if you don't have a lot left in your can, it's sort of hard to get that out. So if I hold it up like this, I just find it's so much easier, and I can get it covered really well. There we go. So now I'm going to blend my wet ingredients and my dry ingredients together. And I'm not using the beaters or anything. I'm just using a fork to mash and to stir. I used a whisk, and I just have a little spatula here. And I'm just going to mix my dry and my wet ingredients together until it's really well blended. There it is, it's ready to go into the oven. And I'll be right back when it's done. So now it's out of the oven, it's all nice and brown. What I didn't show you on camera was before I put it in the oven, I put some brown sugar on top just to make it extra sweet and yummy. Mine cooked for 55 minutes in a 350-degree oven, anywhere from 45 to 55 minutes depending on your oven. And just as long as when you insert a toothpick in the center that it comes out clean, it doesn't have a bunch of gooey batter on it. I hope you enjoyed this video.